before Hiranyakashipu was killed by his lordship Nrsimhadev, Prahlad Maharaj never addressed his father as father, Pitu. Now, after his death, he is addressing Pitu, my father. Because before his death, he was demon, everyone knows. But if a demon is killed by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he becomes liberated. Either demon or anyone. Demons are generally killed by the Supreme Personality of Godhead. They enter into the impersonal Brahma. Therefore there is a verse, I don't remember exactly now, that the monists and the demons, they go to the same place, impersonal Brahma. And what to speak of devotees. Devotees never enter to that impersonal Brahma. Devotees enter directly in the Vaikuntha planet. Mahaveti. Mahaveti. Krishna says, Sakta dehang punarjanmanaiti mahaveti. Jadgatyana nivartanti tad dhamam paramam. If you enter the Vaikuntha planet, there are innumerable Vaikuntha planets, and above them there is the Golok Vrindavan planet, Krishna Loka. So, in either of them, if you enter, then that is not impersonal, personal. Impersonal Brahma is outside, although impersonal Brahma is also spiritual existence, but it is outside the Vaikuntha planet. So the demons and the impersonalists, they cannot enter into the Vaikuntha planet. And because they cannot enter into the Vaikuntha planet, they again fall down. Again fall down in this material world. Arujya kritsena paranga padam tataha patanti adha anadita jusmadangraya. Patanti adha. Adha means in this material world. And those who are impersonalists, they may enter into the Brahma effulgence, arujya kritsena, with severe execution of penance and austerities. The Mayavadis, they perform severe austerities. Those who are actually Brahmavadi, their mode of life is very, very strict and severe also. So, even after severe penances and austerities, one enters into the Brahma effulgence, there is no security. Arujya kritsena parang padang tataha. Why they come down? Na anadita jusmat angraya. Because they did not get the information about your lotus feet. That means person. When you speak of feet or hand, that means the Supreme Person, a person. But they do not accept the person. That is their disease. They will never accept that the absolute truth is person. Therefore, they fall down again and again. Bhutya bhutya praliyata. Prahlad Maharaj says, mat prana rakshanam ananta pitur vadhasya. The two things are there. when Krishna incarnates, there are two things. What are these? Paritrana sadhunam vinashaya duskita. Two things. So here, two things have been done. One thing is to save Prahlad Maharaj, Paritranaya sadhuna. And another thing is vinashaya duskita, yuge yuge sambhavami. So, actually, vinashaya duskita, it doesn't require the presence of the Supreme Lord. The nature's arrangement is so strong that anyone can be finished within a second. Anyone. There is no need of Krishna's taking so much trouble to come here. But he comes especially for deliverance of the devotee, Bhakta Vatsa, and side work to kill the demon. That is not his business. The Maya, the Durga Devi is sufficiently powerful to kill any demon within a second. There is no difficulty. Simply by ordering Maya, or Maya does not wait the order of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. She can understand what the Lord wants. Simply little indication, she can kill hundreds and thousands of demons in one stroke. Sisti sthiti pralaya sadhana shaktireka chayi vajassa bhavunani vibhatti durga. Sisti sthiti pralaya. She can do that. So, it is not the business of the Supreme Personality of Godhead to come to take this botheration. But why Lord Nrsimhadev appeared? He appeared, one thing is that mat prana rakshanam. This is one business. Another business was this. What is that? Svabhritya rishi vakka ritanga vidhata. Svabhritya, Brahma, he is Bhritya, servant of Krishna. So, he did something very, obnoxious by offering all the benediction to Hiranyakashipu. He was very cunning materialist. First of all, he asked for becoming immortal. But when he learned that that is not possible, then he thought, I am very intelligent diplomat, I can screw out my fulfillment of desire in an indirect way. All these people in this material world, they have got a cheating propensity. Out of 4 deficiency, one deficiency is cheating. Everyone wants to cheat his fellow man. Man or beast, everyone. Even the dog, cats, they are also. You know the story? The dog wanted to take another flesh from the mouth of another dog, reflection, and he lost both.